Assalamu alaikum. Let us return back to our chapter probability. The first objective in this video is to verify, you have to verify that two given events are incompatible or mutually exclusive. نفس الشيء لهن اسمين إلى اسمين incompatible or mutually exclusive. A and B are incompatible events, or we say mutually exclusive events if and only if their intersection is the impossible event or phi. Like this situation in this figure. Omega is the universe. A part of omega is a part of omega. For this reason, A is an event. B also part of omega. For this reason, B is an event. So A and B are two events on omega. Universe is the set of all possible outcomes, omega. A part, B part. If their intersection is phi, there is no intersection between these two events, then A and B are said to be incompatible or mutually exclusive. Let us do this example. Toss a die اللي هو الزهر. Toss a die or throw a die and observe the number on the top face. Consider A. Even number is obtained. If we toss a die, all the possible outcomes the universe are 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5 or 6. These are all the possible outcomes. A. Even number is obtained. The event A is either 2 or 4 or 6. These are the even numbers. B number 3 is obtained. B is the elementary event 3. Like this in this figure. This is the situation. Omega is the universe, contains all the possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A 2, 4, 6 the even, B 3 only. These two events A and B are mutually exclusive. A intersection B is phi. So these two events A and B are incompatible or mutually exclusive events because their intersection is phi, like this. Okay. Now, the next objective is to verify also that two given events are independent. What is independent? What are the independent events? A and B are independent events if and only if probability of the intersection is equal to probability of A times probability of B. That is, probability of A intersection B should be equal to probability of A times probability of B. We have to calculate probability of A, probability of B. We multiply these probabilities and we ask ourselves, this quantity, the multiplication, is it equal to probability of A intersection B? Let us do this example. That is, you have to verify this inequality. Also, toss a die or throw a die and observe the number on the top face. All the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. A even number is obtained, 2, 4, 6. B a number multiple of 3. A number multiple of 3 is obtained. So the multiples of 3 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are only 3 and 6. So anyway, this figure represents the situation. A contains 2, 4, 6. B contains 3 and 6. في 1 وال 5 ولا بواحدة، هدول بقلب الأوميجا، بس بقلب الأوميجا، بس مش بالA ومش بالB. Okay. So A and B are independent. A and B are two independent events. Why? Because probability of A intersection B equal probability of A times probability of B. خلينا نتأكد. Calculate probability of A. Probability of A is equal cardinal of A over total over cardinal of omega. Cardinal of A يعني number of elements in A. Number of elements in A are 2, 4, 6. They are 3. Number of elements in omega are 6. So this probability is equal 3 over 6, which is 1 over 2. Probability of B is equal to 2 over 6. It is equal to 1 over 3. What is probability of A intersection B? Probability of A intersection B. Cardinal in A intersection B. A intersection B contains this number. 1. مش 6, 1. The number 6, it is one element. Over the total number of elements, which is 6. Let us verify this inequality. Probability of A intersection B is 1 over 6. Is it equal to 1 over 2 times 1 over 3? Yes, true. 1 over 6 is equal to 1 over 6. True. For this reason, these two events A and B are independent events, because probability of A intersection B equal probability of A times probability of B. Do this as a homework and this as a homework. اوكي، يعطيكم العافية. انا بكرة ببعت لكم اياهم ان شاء الله PDFs واضحين اكتر اذا ما كانوا واضحين بالفيديو، وببعت لكم كل محتويات الفيديو ان شاء الله. يعطيكم العافية.